Hello everyone. So today we are going to present our business mathematics group assessment regarding to chapter 6 annuity and chapter 7 trade and cash discount. So I'm going to introduce our group member, and my name is Magdalena Sangan Anak Jungan. Second is Ain Farisha binti Hisham, and third is Nabilah Dayana binti Muhammad Juwaidi. We are from 81171C. Question 1. Lee Min-ho bought a sub-sale house for 210,000 ringgit Malaysia. He paid a down payment of 10% of the house price. He then signed an agreement with Bank Nasional to borrow the balance amount with an interest rate of 3.2% compounded monthly and make a payment at the end of every month for 30 years. Question A. Calculate the monthly installment that Lee Min-ho has to pay every month. First step, we need to identify the information that is given in the question 1. Given the annuity present value is 210,000 ringgit Malaysia before a down payment of 10%, then we need to deduct the 210,000 ringgit Malaysia with 10% and we will get 189,000 ringgit Malaysia. Then, interest rate K is 3.2%, frequency of conversion M is 12, and term of loan T is 30. Substitute all the information into the formula given. To get value of I, we need to divide K value with M value. Then, for value N, we also need to multiply M value with T value. Then, we will get the final answer is 817 ringgit 36 cents. For question 1b, the question asks to find how much did Lee Min-ho actually pay for the sub-sale house with the interest rate and how much the interest charge. First, we need to use future value of annuity formula to get the first answer. Substitute all the information given into the formula and we will get the final answer 492,978 ringgit 90 cents. To find the value of interest charge, we need to substitute the future value of annuity and deduct it with regular payment and number of payment. We will get the final answer 198,729 ringgit 30 cents.
Question 3, we need to calculate the total payment that he missed in the first 3 months. First thing first, we need to make a timeline starting from 0 until 4 months. So we need to start to calculate starting from 4th month. Using the future value formula, substitute all the information in this formula that we find the value from previous questions, and then calculate, and we find the total, which is RM 3282.54. We need to calculate the single payment. Lee Min-ho decided to make a single payment after 280 months. So 360 minus with 280 months, the balance we need to calculate is 80 months. Same as the previous question, we need to make a timeline for easier to refer. So use a present value formula because we want to find the total payment in the past 360 months. Substitute all the information and the value in the previous question in this formula. Calculate, and we find the total, which is RM 58814.30.
As for question 2a, Mr. Dumbledore offered trade discounts of 12%, 8%, and 5% for the sales. So, we need to list out important information and substitute the information into the formula. As we can see, the question asks us to find the single trade discount equivalent to the trade discount given. So, we use this formula to answer the question. The information that we got is invoice date 20th February 2020. D1 is 12%, D2 is 8%, D3 is 5%, C is 6, 15, 530, and 90. Other costs RM 200. After that, we solve the equation and the final answer is 0.23088. We move on to question 2b. In this question, it asks us to find the total net amount of all items. So, we need to use this formula, which is NPY equals LP bracket 1 minus D1 bracket 1 minus D2 bracket 1 minus D3 and bracket 1 minus C. In order to answer the question, as what we did in 2A, we need to list out the information and substitute the information into the formula. Then, we solve the equation. So, here is the final answer. RM 1899.73. Do you get it?
So, for question 2C, we need to find last day to receive a 5% cash discount. Given the invoice date is 20 February 2020 and last day to receive cash discount is 30 days after the invoice date. So, we need to use exact time to calculate it and we will get the date. It is 21st March 2020.
Last question D, that we need to find the total payment. So from the previous question, we got the net payment, which is RM 1899.73. So just plus with another course to find the total payment, which is RM 200. The final answer is RM 2099.73. That's all.